On top inside Edo today, Governor Godwin Obaseki don appoint Malaka-Oduwa as special adviser. Governor Godwin Obaseki don appoint Malaka-Oduwa as special adviser on top strategic planning and program management and chairman program management office. Secretary to Edo State Government Osarodion Oge Esquire talk am for statement say governor don approve this appointment and the appointment don already start from January 3rd, 2019. Oge write am for statement say Governor Godwin Obaseki approve Malaka's statement as special adviser to Governor Obaseki on top strategic planning and program management, and she go come still be chairman on top program management office. And im talk say this one don strong pass the former reference when the number be SGA15/X11/273 of June 2017. We go remember say before this ogbonge appointment, so Malaka-Oduwa na im first be the senior special assistant to Governor Godwin Obaseki on top program management office. Na so we see am reach on top wetin shele for inside Edo today. On top say Governor Godwin Obaseki don appoint Malaka-Oduwa as special adviser. Make una no forget say na T-Live Media na im dey bring this ogbonge updates come give una. My name na Mary Edoleye.